Well, I've done a lot of interviews about AI lately, and I know that at the beginning of our conversation, you mentioned that we should be wary of trying to attribute really tidy, neat narratives to what's really these contingencies in history. But one of the narratives that I've been worried about is not necessarily that AI itself is going to kill us all, even though that's
Hmm?
also a worry, but the worry
No.
that it's not just capitalist forces, for instance, that are promoting the development of AI. It's that AI will be used as a tool of suppression, whether through surveillance or policing or military efforts. And I am curious about how you think of AI.
First, why are you talking about I'm afraid that it will be? Isn't it that it already is as far as we know? I know, I'm not saying other countries are necessarily better. I know China is doing this to an incredible level. I know Israel is doing this. In an, I spoke with somebody with links to Shin Bet years ago, and he said we listen to all phone conversations, not selected, all, everything. Now it's even more. So, uh, uh, and I totally agree with you that this old Marxist approach, artificial intelligence is neutral, it depends which social forces will predominate. So the struggle is still basically the anti capitalist struggle. I don't think this. I tend to agree with, not all the way through, but mainly with Yuval Harari, who said that we should no longer look at artificial intelligence as the prolongation, the extension of our arms, tools, and so on, that it is more and more acting autonomously.